today on my first day coming out of quarantine, and I decided to I start using my phone for like do more videoing, because I feel like true man photographer, videographer is like I'm always feel like if I'm not shoot with a high tech camera, I can't shoot a video. So today I gotta be a change in that. So yeah, stepping outside now, just to feel how it feels to like, oh my god.
Best say now that what to do. Shit, mate. That's still going.
So rushing out. Shan is a bit late for work and stuff. Hey guys, you know the cold west. We've been locked up for like 10 days in the forest. So literally don't know how the place is immense. That this is actually such a beautiful thing for me right now. I am, Friday. Me that right now. It's like super duper cold, guys, and I am just excited to like be outside of the house. I don't know if I should have had on a mask, but I don't. Hopefully they're not charge me for that. So my wife beautiful, look on her natural hair. She afraid for it more oil, you know?
I love my natural hair.
Should have said that for the camera, but
Lies. I'm not only saying that for the camera. I'm serious.
okay.
You say I'm not blessed, come on that date.
See scooter them there, they may have to escape and go work. Skirt! I show look at the place now. Alright, so just for safety purposes, I'm not gonna tell them what the place name in, but this is where they are. And where they residing. There's a friggin' fox going across the road. That's so cool. I think I want a pet fox. I said, look at scooter them there, I tell her, say, yo, babe, jump on a scooter, you reach your wrecking and up time. Vroom, vroom, vroom. She said, no, babe, scooter too scooting. Too scooting. Can't bother the scooting. You want to put in the fear right there?
No, Mr. What can you was up all on the bus take so 6.
Guys, look at that fox right there. So pretty. Where's he going? I'm it.
Okay, see you.
You're right, this is.
Alright,
Alright, so Sean Bussweh here now, so that's it for her.
Why should I which one you can make a comment?
That one.
Because I'm telling the following. The time that you yeah.
So far I can say I really appreciate the weather or the climate or whatever you guys call it. It's beautiful, yo. I always tell people I prefer being cold than being hot. You get me? The reason being is that whenever I'm cold, whenever the place is too cold, you can always like do stuff like just put on like some clothes to get warm. You get what I say? Like easily. But like whenever you're too hot, it's a bit harder for you to get cold if you don't have like AC or a fan or stuff like that. So yeah, I've always preferred the cold than the heat. So it's like a marvelous thing for me to like be here right now and enjoying this type of climate. So thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll be giving you guys updates. I'm finally out of quarantine, so this is part 2 of my first day out. Is him. Yeah, we do this already, but I have to do it again. Shit, forget my mask. Hold on a second, because you don't know. I have to make sure so I'm fully strapped up in terms of my mask. So far, you can say that place is really cold, even though I really enjoy it. But I haven't bought any gloves yet, so that kind of slap to 6. Alright, so I'm just doing a small walk through of the community. Streets are very active down here. You guess it's that time of the day. I think everyone is trying to go to school and work and all of that stuff. There's a lot of kids just walking around. I think they're making their way to school. There are tons of bicycles, adults. Everyone rides bicycles. And that's a very cool thing for me compared to like in Jamaica where no one really rides bicycle and other thing like kids. So this is very interesting. I've seen it in like Germany and other places. It's really cool. Like there's an entire family coming to watch me on their bicycle and like doing that to be very interesting. Right? Alright, so that's it for me. I know it's kind of short, but yeah, I don't really plan to do a lot outside in this cold. But the beautiful thing for me is that I feel so safe and I don't have to think too time about like taking out my phone. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned. Can't wait to start shooting some professional videos, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on that.